Yan, ready na yung camper namin.
Oh, hi, hello. Hi.
Yan, ready na. Pwede nang mag-camping. Ayan. Tingnan natin ang loob nito. Ay, Leng.
Hello. Mga kabanding. Ready
Mga
for
kabanding.
summer.
Kay Monty House ito.
Ready for summer si Monty House.
Ayan, ito
Yan.
yung camper namin. Ayan, oh. May sink doon. Ano. Asan ang kanyang, kala ko may stove siya. Ayan, may fridge doon. Ito ang fridge niya sa baba. Ayan. Fridge yan na maliit. Ayan. Ilan ang capacity nito? 6. Ganda. Jeff, we can sleep here. Ayan, oh. Ito pwedeng gawing, table yan, oh. Pwede ring higaan. Ay, pwede pang higaan ito.
Oo nga.
Ano? Ay, ganda-ganda. Sama tayo, Ling, ha? Ha? Hoy, sama tayo.
Hindi kita isasama.
Walang hiya ka. Ganda, oh. Pinaanuhan ng anak ko, pinahanginan niya para maalis yung amoy-amoy. Kasi nire-ready lang niya. Ito, laki ng tulugan, oh. Ayan. Ano lang ito, starter camper lang. Wala pa yung nagbabalak pa silang bumili nung malaki-laki. Kasi may malaking pamilya kami. Ayan. Pero okay na to sa atin, ano? Yan, sarap-sarap guys, mag-camping. Nung kabataan namin, lagi kami nagka-camping. Halos every weekend pag summer. Ayan. Oh, saan tayo higa? Dito?
Dito ako sa labas.
Sa nahigaan natin. Ay! Ayan. O dito sa kabila. Ayan, bumaba na yung aking kasama. Chine-check lang namin ito kasi bagong linis ng anak ko. Kalilinis lang niya para sa next weekend daw magka-camping na sila pero hindi pa kami sasama. Ayan guys, summer is ready na kami sa summer. See you around. Dito kami sa bahay ng mga anak ko, magba-barbecue daw. Kaya gusto ko nagdala ko ng tamban, iihaw ko. Gusto ko kasi ng tamban na inihaw. Ayan, yun lang kakainin ko, yun lang ulamin ko. Wala naman kaming handa, mag-aano lang kami, yung lang, kahit papano lang mag-get together. Kami lang, wala kasi yung mga anak kong isa, nasa US, may soccer game yung apo ko, kaya kami lang naiwan. Ayun na si Papa Monty, oh. Ayun, ay. Ayan. Teka, titignan ko yung aming garden na maliit. Ay, naghihingalo yung aking ampalaya na matay kasi mahangin daw masyado dito. Ayan, meron ng kaliit ng tawag dito, sili, ang malaking may bunga ng malaki, oh, ayan. Oh, ang liit pa. Maliit pa may bunga na. Ito yung maliit naming garden ng anak ko. Nakikigarden ako dito. Ito ay cilantro. Oh, ang lago. Tapos ito yung kamatis. Tingnan nyo, oh. Cherry tomato ito. Yan, cherry tomato. Tapos meron ng bunga doon, oh. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan, may bunga ng malaki doon. Ang liliit pa nila, marami ng bunga. Ayan, kamatis pa rin ito at sili. Ay, may okra is growing. Ito yung okra, oh. Nag-grow sila, oh, yan. That is okra, a couple of this. Ayan, kaya lang yung yung aking, yung cucumber niya, ayan, liit. Yung cucumber ko sa bayan, laki. Ayan, ready na sila. Mag-bike na naman mamaya siguro. Ayan. Ito pa isang cucumber. What is your thing?
What?
The onion? Ha? What happened to your onion? Let me see. Ah. Ay, oh. Ito yung kanyang onion. Yeah, this will grow nicely, Jeff. Yeah. Yan. Yan ang kung saan-saan lang kami nagtanim. Ganda na itong petunia na to. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ang kanyang ano. Ang kanyang, yan ay blue vein ang tawag. Yan guys, yung aming maliit na ano, na garden ng anak ko. Yun. Yun. Kasi ayaw niya itong ano, pagardinan dahil dito sila naglalaro pagka nandito yung mga apo ko. Ayan. Barbecue tamban. Tamban-tamban kayo dyan. Sarap-sarap. Yan. No, that's okay now. It's cooked. Ay, sarap-sarap. Ang sarap. Yeah, those are cooked already. Ay, bango-bango. Nagutom ako. You have to warm that first before the burger.
You don't have to, but we're doing it.
It's reverse. I thought you have to cook the burger first before this.
Smash burger is a different process.
Oh, it's a smash burger.
A smash burger. A smash burger.
Burger. Diyos ko, talagang mga batang to, ang dami nilang alam. Ayan, unahin pala ito nila.
You're not gonna say anything? I was waiting for you to talk.
I don't say anything. Oh, just say anything, yes.
Anything.
Just say anything.
Nico, your turn.
Oh, we need 3 more passengers, then we're ready to go. We're going to Baguio.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, here. She smell that.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Dad feeds her that, that's why. Oh.
I'm a Filipino, that's why. Smash burger. Oh, it's getting ready. Oh, you have to check the temperature first.
Be really hot.
Huh?
It's gonna have to be really hot because it's gonna cook that.
Oh, so what's happening now?
Are you ready for surgery, Dr. Montefar? Are you ready for smash?
Smash burger.
Smash?
Oh, you have to use your hand? Dr. Montefar.
Pelican? No way. Look. Whoa! What is
Yeah.
here?
We have to put something. There's a certain temperature? Oh. It smells so good, guys. Ay, parang gusto ko nang kumain. Smells so good. Wait. Sarap. Ay, ganyan pala. Yummy. Ayan. Smash burger. Wala, kinukurik yung aking pronunciation. Ayan. Ay, ang bango. Nagutom ako. Teka, gagawa ko ng pang-short.
Mama, you knocked it over.
What did I do? Yan. Say it again. Smash burger. Smash burger. Yum, yum. The sun is a shadow. Yum, yum. Yummy.
Corner one goes back there.
Sarap, bango.
It's not as hot in the can.
Oh, should be hot, very, very hot.
Yeah. If you want it like this,
Oh, should be crispy like that. Ah, temperature failed.
it's not hot in the can.
You can just move it later in the pot. Yum, yum.
Cheese, Mom.
Cheese.
No, you're smelling the bun. That's not for you.
Sarap.
I want to put cheese on yours, Mom.
Okay na sa kanilang dinner ito, pero ako hindi. Yung aking, kakainin ko yung aking ano. I will eat my, what call that, tamban.
It's dark.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, snap, don't tease her.
She's naughty. Oh my God! Oh.
look at Five Guys.
Wow, double burger. Double burger, guys. That's crazy. Yummy.
For the bids.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hey, Nico, you're hungry?
Whoa!
Oh,
Here, Mom.
you're waiting?
You want
Which one?
to see
Ah.
oyster, Mom?
What is that? How to clean? Oh. I'll go to the other side. Oh, that's how we have to clean? Oh, that's easy. Ba, sarap ng buhay ah. Hoy. Nag-4 pa. Sarap ng buhay. Are you waiting for your burger?
No,
Nico?
Meat, actually?
Nico?
Yes.
You waiting for your burger? Mariah, sino sa to video?
Yeah.
I mean, you're taking her video.
She likes pictures.
She likes picture?
Yeah.
Hungry,
Oh, this is
hungry.
nice,
What?
Sitting there.
Oh, as if he's waiting.
Hey.
Ito ang aming dinner sa mga bata ito. Ayan. Hati kami ni Papa Monty dun sa isa. Kasi ito ang gusto ko talagang kainin. Yan, oh. Sarap. Tapos ano, ang sausawang ko, gagawa ako ng lemon. Tsaka, lagyan ko ng konting, lemon lang. Okay na. Sarap. Ready na ba ang kanin? Ayan. Yummy. Yummy smash burger. Yummy. Dessert.
I got stuck.
Who made that?
Who made it?
Oh, you made it?
Yeah.
The dessert. Ayan, yung pinagkainan ni Papa Monte. Oh my God, I eat so much. Yan lang. Uwian na. Tapos na ang kainan, tapos na ang banding sa mga bata. Kaya ayan, thank you so much for watching guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa inyong suporta, love and support sa Monty House in Papa Monty. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time guys. Thank you. Love you. God bless.